Hello everyone, start off by taking the scan, then draw this diagram onto it and slowly begin to carve it out using the blade by cutting out this duck out of it. Now as you are doing so, this is what it should look like. Now cut it out after carving it out as well, and then once you've cut off the heads of each of these, then go to the base and then cut out the bottom as well. Once you've cut out the bottom, then remove the top from this and separate the two. Next, we'll start off by taking this canister and then afterwards take a blade and then slowly begin to cut it according to the markings that you've created. Now slowly begin to use this bottle cap and make these cuttings out of it. Take the top part and then make this petal cut to it. Now poke these holes into it, and then after you've done so, then put the sand into it, add the little plant as well, and then you may water it to the top. Next, take this little can, and as you can see we have this cat here. Now slowly begin to make these curved cuts to it at the base. Continue to cut out the ears as well and everything else, and then as you're doing so, go all the way around and then cut off the base. Now once you remove it, you should have a little pot with you. You may insert a plant into it and then add little whiskers on either side of it as well. Take this canister, then cut off the base to begin with, and then cut off the sides of the handles as well. Make these curved lines all around it, and then afterwards, slowly begin to use a blade in order to cut it out. Now, after you've done this, then do so all the way. Now, as you're cutting it out using this blade, this is what it should look like. Then press it out. Now, cut off this flower and then add it to the front, and then add a pot into it. Next, take the scan, make these lines onto it, make the heart shape at the top as well, and then slowly begin to cut it out according to this. Make these curved cuts on either side on the top. Now use a blade in order to carve it out according to the shape. First start off by carving out the gaps of the heart as such. Now for the top portion of it, completely cut it out so that the top remains intact. Now once you're done with this, cut off the sides as well according to the patterns that you've created and remove all of this. Add a flower in the front, add a pot into it. Take the scan, draw the line at the base of it, and then afterwards add another V-shaped line to it on either end of it as such. Now continue to do so in any empty spaces that are present, and then continuously do so as such. Draw a dot to maintain the length of these lines. Now using a blade, begin to cut it out according to the patterns that you've drawn onto this canister. Now, after you've come to the other side of it, this is what it should look like. Go all the way and continue to cut it as such. Now once you've removed the base, then you may straight cut through some parts of it, take the base, make this hole into it, insert it into place, add this flower onto it, and then add a potted plant. Next, start off by taking this canister, make this curved line to it a semicircular shape at the top, and cut this out as well. Add these dotted lines to it as such. Now afterwards, slowly begin to make these curved lines out of it, and then afterwards cut it out. Now at the base of it, using a blade, make this cutting to it as well. Slowly using the blade, make these cuts to it all throughout, cut out the shape of this flower as well. Now after you've done so, then cut out this pattern to it, and then slowly begin to cut out the entire circular shape as well. Now once you're done with it, you may use this as a tissue dispenser. Next, we'll start off by taking this canister, then draw this line onto the base of it, then afterwards, slowly begin to make it look like this little veil. Add the line to the base and the top, the eyes in the front, and then the fins to it as well. Add these curved lines to it as well, and then using a blade, slowly begin to cut it in. Now we are using the blade in order to cut it in with these curved lines at the base. As we continue to do so, go all the way through, and then after you go all the way through, then add a little plant into it as well. Add some water to it, and this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.